Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great, and we've got a nice one here from Peloton. Now, a little bit different, okay? I created another race based on large caps as opposed to the ones that I normally show, which are usually smaller caps just because they're giving as big as percentage moves. But look what happened with Peloton. PTON won 4 races so far. It may be starting to win another race. Peloton had news in the pre-market that they're going to be selling their product on Amazon. So that caused the spike up. Now, I would caution you, though, that they're going to be releasing earnings tomorrow before the market opens. My guess is that when the earnings come out, they're not going to be good. I mean, they're going to be losing money, etc. So this is not anything that I would want to hold through earnings, but it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow on Peloton when they do release earnings. But that's what made it great. We had news regarding Amazon, and it kept winning races in the large cap race. So I will open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye bye.